How to remove all ads from Android to any phone. Open Settings. On your phone. Can see different option here. Search bar and search private DNS. See your options and select the private DNS. Next you can see 3 option there to select. Select private DNS provider hostname. In option, save it. typdns.adguard.com. In hostname. Go to Settings and see Google option. Select Ads option in Google. You can see 3 options here. Click on Delete it. Then go to Chrome. Select Settings and go to Settings. Shows Privacy and Security. Click at Secure DNS. Restart your phone.